These are progressions for the bird dog exercise, the core aspect of our at-home workout video series. So starting from the normal bird dog position, we're going to take it up a notch and go to the push-up position, and we're going to do bird dogs. So alternating arms and legs. As you can see, those are very challenging. A regression from that would be just doing arms, legs, etc. Disassociation. Okay, the progression from there, if you have one of these fancy bands called the FMT tubing, these are very versatile bands that you can do pretty much any exercise with. So put that around one leg. Grab with the arms. So these are the standard bird dogs using the band. Okay, and then if not, a regular band works just fine. Okay, these are progressions for the bird dog exercise, one using body weight, one using the FMT, which is a very versatile piece of equipment you could have to your at-home gym, or using just a traditional band.